Hello, welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand what exactly is man in Linux. When I say man, are we talking about a man, woman, and all those things? Not really. We are talking about a man command in Linux. Then what exactly is a man? Man stands for manual. What exactly is this manual all about? And why do we really need this in Linux? If you have observed, most of the applications, most of the systems come with the documentation, right? Why do we need documentation? Because every user may not know all the aspects of any command or a system or a utility. That's the reason in most of the times, any utility, any system comes with the documentation. Now, we are playing with the commands. We need to use the commands as a part of the Linux. So, will we know all the commands available with all the options for each of the commands? Not really. That is where man command helps us. Man command is a system's manual pager, means it will display the manuals of each of the utility. It is used to display the user manual for any command which you want to see in detail. It will also provide a detailed view of the command. We do have different options in man command. First option is plain one, simple vanilla one, where we have man, which displays the manual of a particular command. Then we have an option -f, which is the section of the command. Then we have another option -a, which will display all the available intro manual of that particular command. Then we have -k, which will give the regular expression in all the manuals. It will search for the command in all the manuals. Let us look at how it works. So man command takes an argument as a either program or function or any utility. It displays the manual page associated with this particular program or a command or a function or utility. You can see here we are trying to say man-ls, and it is displaying all the information about ls command. As we discussed, man command has different options. One of the option being you can use a man command with -f. What does it do? Displays the section in which the given command is present. If you see here, we are saying man-f and ls. It is saying ls1. That means say that ls is there in the section 1. What exactly this section? Whenever you have a manual or a documentation, what happens is that particular manual will have a different sections. For example, first section is for executable programs. Second section is for system calls. Third section is for library call, so on and so forth. So man-f will tell us which section a particular command belongs to. Then the next option is man-k. We do have multiple manuals of multiple utilities in an operating system. So a particular command may be used in multiple utilities, and each of the utilities would have a manual pages associated with them. So man-k will search the given command as a regular expression in all the manuals. For example, here you can see man-k cd says, okay, your cd is there in app cd-rom management utility, and it is there in Broadcom Bluetooth firmware converter. Like this, it will display the command in all the manuals of all the utilities in a particular operating system. We'll see all of these things as a part of our hands-on. I have logged into the Ubuntu Linux operating system. Now, let me say man and try to get the manual pages of make directory. There you go. You can see name of the command is mkdir, that means make directories, and synopsis description. You can see creates the directory if they do not already exist. Like this, it will also provide all the options of that particular command. If you want, you can quit by saying Q. I am out of this. Now the second option, as we discussed, is nothing but man-f. So we'll say man-f and say mkdir. It says mkdir command is there in section 1 also, section 2 also. And the next one being man-k mkdir. Okay, this mkdir command is there in all these manual pages. Man-k in a way search this make directory as a regular expression in all the manuals available in this particular operating system. Awesome, then we understood the man command at a high level. Thank you.